Hey guys, we just got this new remote control train set. It is just so cool.
We're gonna open it up and see what all it comes with and set it up. Right here in this compartment, we have all our train cars and our remote control. This box, we have all of our tracks, our instructions, our charging cords, our pieces to hold the tracks together, and our little water bottle to be able to fill up the steam engine because it does have steam. This is very realistic. It has steam. It makes real train noises. It has a headlight. So we're gonna go and we're gonna get this set up and have some fun playing with it. Whoa, here, let me try. Oh, no, it's fine. Here it comes.
This time I should do this one and that one.
You should do that one and that one. Okay, so are you going to flip that one first or this one? So this also can, so you can make it go faster or slower. So in the middle it stops because then it can go backwards.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that.